In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a video in Premiere Pro. Start by going to the top menu bar and clicking on Window. Make sure the Effects panel and the Effect Controls panel are enabled. Now we will look at two ways to remove a background. First, if your video has a black background, go to the Effects panel and search for Luma Key. Drag and drop it onto your video layer. If the background disappears, but your subject looks too faded or too transparent, go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the threshold. Lowering this value will make your subject more visible. If your video does not have a black background, then you'll need to use a different effect. Go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Drag and drop it onto your video. Now, go to the Program window and click the wrench icon. From the drop-down, enable the Transparency Grid. This will help you see if the background is being removed correctly. Then, go back to the Effect Controls panel and click the eyedropper icon. Use it to select the background color that you want to remove. Now, adjust the tolerance slider until the background is completely removed. You can fine-tune the edge settings if needed, but usually adjusting the tolerance is enough. That is it.